How we doing? Holy fuck.
It's dead again.
No way.
Yeah.
Come on!
Told you to keep on charging it.
Yeah. It died.
Yeah.
Nah, it ain't working.
There it goes.
Hey.
Look, it fell off. I hit a bump and it fell off.
Oh, you're cool.
Jesus, look at all the shit that came out of it.
Is it stuff?
What is this thing? Oh, it's a front drive shaft, right? I think so. I don't know what it is.
That's what I said earlier.
Okay, good. Glad we're on the same page. I don't know where to tie this motherfucker to.
Oh, you got all this stuff.
Yeah, Jake wakes up at 6:30 and he texts me.
I wake up at 6:30 every day because it's just my natural time. And then I go.
Guys, we're back here with another video. Today we're gonna have a little bit of, I mean, it'll all be like the same sort of thing on a couple different vehicles. So I need to do the brakes on the back side of my truck and replace the back caliper because it's leaking fluid. Jake needs to do the same thing with one of his calipers. And then I think we're going to do rotors and pads on his back side. I don't remember which one he said, but then we're going to plastic dip his rims. We're going to try this trim restorer thing that I bought. And then we're going to throw on some windshield wipers onto my brother's car. So I guess I'm just going to start with that because that's easy. I can knock that out. Jake isn't even here. He told me he was going to be here at 10 o'clock, but we all knew that wasn't going to happen. So yeah, follow me over to my brother's car, I guess. Now 11 o'clock. Jake is still nowhere to be heard of, actually. But yeah, those windshield wipers gotta go back to Walmart. Wrong fucking ones again. I've been over here in the garage cleaning some stuff up, so I just put this engine up for sale on Facebook. So yeah, I'm hopefully getting this out of here pretty soon. I just put all this wood back and organized back here. 2 resonators, muffler, you know, they fell off. Floor mats from my car, my mom's car. Bunch of old license plates, Jake's welding mask, and some much crap. So I'm gonna continue to be cleaning up around here. You know, we got a bucket full of shop towels over there. Those are gonna get thrown in the washer. I'm gonna bring out the other ones, and then yeah, I'm gonna keep cleaning up around here until I hear something from the retard, but who knows how long that'll be.
Guessing that's the one that's broke loose. This is the one that you fucked up. Oh, fuck.
Well, as you can see, Jake's here. Jake's got his brake pads right there. We're about to jack up his car and start on his, and then we're gonna jack up mine, and I'm gonna do mine. And yeah, so we'll come back when something happens, or Jake's over here trying to get this off. Last one.
You fucked up my lug nut.
So Jake managed to get his rotor off, but I still haven't gotten one lug nut off.
Yeah, your
Where'd you
lug
put your
nut's
rotor at?
destroyed. Over there.
Rotor's over here. Let's go take a gander. There she is. Starting to form some grooves.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
He thinks it's fine. All right, that means it's good. Always.
shit.
This long ass pipe right here went right over that and broke the bitch loose. After all this PB blaster and WD-40, this pipe was all it took. Jake's pulling out his new rotor. I'm gonna jack this shit up and get under there. Yeah, Wheels off. We got brake fluid all over the rotor. That's great.
I think it's fine.
So
You
yeah,
can
I'm,
still stop, right?
yeah, I think so. I'm just figuring out how to get this shit off because I don't remember. So yeah, we'll be
Nah.
back. Change this caliper right now because if something goes wrong, I don't have the time to fix it today. So I just knocked all that stuff off the backside. So that's me. I'm coming. What?
Where's your piston?
Oh, the piston pusher.
Yes.
Use an old brake pad. So put an old brake pad in there.
Don't we have the actual tool?
Yeah, but I figured out an easier way to do it. Put the old brake pad in it, and not this drawer.
The vice.
There you go.
There you go.
That's Jake.
Hello.
Jake's got new rota on. He compressed the piston.
It's all nice and clean now.
He go put old pad on. Yeah, look at it. He's like, oh yeah, I had pads. Oh yeah. Oh.
I do, bro.
Pads,
See,
yeah.
there's life there.
There ain't shit there. So I'm gonna go clean mine up with some brake clean, and then I'm gonna hop over and help this Downy finish the other side, and then yeah, that'll be that. After some trial and error, Jake is now pushing his piston in with said clamp with the old pad, so he can slide this bitch right back on with some new pads in it, and it'll be good to go. And I'm gonna come clean up this slide real quick because it could use some loving. I don't know what you guys can see, but where'd my goddamn wrench go? Hey, I need that.
I need that
Why do you need that?
to tighten my caliper.
That's my 16. Got it. Just a bit oily.
Just a bit.
Doesn't look too bad.
Well, I just changed it.
So why are you changing it again?
Yeah, I know.
I said, so why?
Because I did a Polish oil job.
Oh yeah. So there's gonna be a ton in here, right?
No, that was already drained out.
You want to give me a towel though, Bo? You got a lot of oil down here, bud.
Do I really?
Yeah, a little bit.
Wait, underneath the car?
Uh-huh. Oh, on like the bottom of the pan. You can tell it's been dripping out of this.
Oh yeah, but I can tell it's been dripping because I have a big oil stain on my driveway.
Hey, you want to get rid of this cat? I can cut it real quick for you.
I'm trying to get rid of them already. Where's the extension?
There's a spider under here.
Kill it.
No, Mr. Spider, you want to be friends?
You want to drown in some oil, bitch?
No, you want to be friends? I'm gonna name this spider Larry.
Larry's gonna fucking die.
Yeah, probably.
Hey Larry, tell me how much or how hot my engine gets.
Get too hot. Yeah, it's a little toasty under here. I ain't gonna lie.
How? It's been sitting for almost an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours.
I don't know, it's pretty. Yeah, it's about 20 foot-pounds. There you go.
Okay.
Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah. Wait, where is it? There it is. All done. Oil in there. Jake's oil. What's going there?
Supposedly it helps.
With this. We'll see how that works. So after like 20 minutes of fighting, taking off all that side and putting it all back on, is rounded.
Fuck that.
Jake just got his pads in over here. Okay. He's about to slide the caliper on now. So hopefully, it's just a done deal.
Give me the hammer.
Hammer.
No, I got it.
No hammer. There's our brake grease. And there's brake cleaner. And there's Jake. And a rotor.
Fuck you, Ford.
I agree. Yeah,
So
so...
are you going to Chevy yet?
No,
Oh,
fuck.
wait, no, I need to take these out. Where's the...
Alright, so that wraps it up. This is all done over there. It's all done over here.
Not
Jake's
really.
over there. Our hands are just different colors.
Hey mom, look, I'm black.
So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. We're gonna have
Reverse Michael Jackson, bitch.
we're gonna have another video working on my brakes because I'm gonna have to finish that off another day. But for now, I will see you guys all in the next one. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you all in the next one.